Hello everyone, this is ASM and welcome to my channel Wide Web. Today I am going to show you how to install MongoDB, Composer and XAMPP, and we will also learn how to connect MongoDB with PHP, and then we will perform some basic queries like insert and delete. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Let's start with the downloading and installing the MongoDB. So open a browser, type mongodb.com and hit enter. Now you can see the option called software. Under this you will find many different options. The first one is community server, a free and open document database. So click on this link and it will take you to the download page. On the right side there are three different options. One is for the database version. Current version is 4.4.3. If you want to download any older version, you can go for that too. Under platform you can choose the platform like Windows, Mac OS or Linux. And under the package it has two options like downloading MSI or the zip file. So I am going to download the MSI file. Now click on the download button. When you click the download button, the download will start. Now click on MongoDB MSI and the installation process will start. Now click on next, accept the agreement, click next. You can choose any of this option. I am going for the custom. Here you can see the default location of the folder where the MongoDB is going to be installed. If you want to change the location, you can click on browse and go to the location where you want to install the MongoDB. In my case, I'm gonna install it in D drive under the Windows program folder. Inside this I have a folder that is MongoDB. Now select the folder, click OK and next. Now here you can see the MongoDB Compass. MongoDB Compass is the graphical user interface where you're gonna interact with your database, and let it check it as yes and click on next. Now click on install and the final installation is started. It will take pretty much 5 to 10 minutes, so have some patience and wait till the finish is completed. Now the MongoDB is on final stage of installation. Now click on connect and it will take you to the home page of the MongoDB. Here you can see three different type of database. Now if you click on admin, you will find no documents because there is no data. So this is the user interface of MongoDB, that is called MongoDB. Now click on the first link, download XAMPP. Over here you can find 4 different options. 4 different options come with the 4 different PHP versions. The first one is for 7.2, then PHP 7.3, PHP 7.4 and PHP 8.0, which is the current version. So I'm going to download this one. Now click on the download link. This is for the 64-bit machine. Now to install XAMPP, click on the XAMPP file and the installation process will start. Now click on next again. Now here you can change the directory where you want to install your XAMPP file. I am going to change the installation directory of the XAMPP. So going to select the folder, XAMPP, and select the folder and click on next. Now click on next, 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 and then the installation will start. It will take couple of minutes, so have some patience and wait till the process is finished. Now the installation is completed. Now to check whether it's working or not, start the Apache server and then go to your browser. Here type 127.0.0.1 and hit enter. This is the dashboard of the Apache XAMPP. Now you can see it's working properly, and this is the installation of XAMPP server. Now let's start to download the Composer. Composer will help you to manage all the PHP dependencies which is required for your project. Now type COMPOSER and hit enter. On top, this is the website getcomposer.org. Click on that and it will redirect you to the Composer website. Now click on the download button and it will take you to the download page. Now here you just have to click on composer setup.exe and the download will begin. Now let's start and install the Composer. Go to your browser and as you can see that I have already downloaded the Composer. Now let's click on the setup file, install for all users, click on next. Now this is the current path of your php.exe. It might be correct or incorrect in your case. So to do that in a correct way, go to your location folder where you have installed your XAMPP. Open the folder, go for the PHP folder. At the bottom you can see that php.exe. Select it, click next, click on next, install. Click next and finish. Now Composer is installed. To check whether it is installed correctly or not, open your CMD and type composer. You can see that it's showing you the composer and the current version, so that means it's working fine. Now go to your browser and search for PHP MongoDB DLL and open the first link, php.net. Over here you can see that PECL link. Click on that. Once you arrive on this page, you can see that the latest version is 1.9.0. Now click on this link DLL. Scroll down. Now you can see the list of DLL files. So I'm using the current version of PHP, which is 8.0. Under this you have two options. One is for 64-bit and another is for 32-bit. Now 64-bit has two options. One is non-thread safe and the thread safe. To find out which one you need to download, go to your XAMPP. Open the control panel. Click on Explorer. Go to PHP folder. Now look for the file php8ts. Over here you can see ts, that means thread safe. If it is nts, that means non-thread safe. So I have to download thread safe. Now open your browser. Click on thread safe and your DLL file will start downloading.